Hello guys, this video is very specific for some people who are investing through most of the time banks, okay, or big brokers that are very huge banks in America. Now this is a true story. I have taught someone, student. He has a lot of money, he has a good job, he invests a lot, but when I was teaching him, I told him, where you put your money? Do you have like a 401k? Or he say no. And then I say, you are making a lot of money, how you are investing, or did you invest or no? He told me that he is investing through a bank. For me it was strange. And I asked him, why do you invest through a bank? Because it's the means that he knows before, and he put all his money, so this bank cut money to his investment, and there are fees. Now the first thing I tell him, the first and last thing I tell him, man, if they are taking some money from your paycheck or from your account or checking account or saving account, please go and check how much money they take as fees. This thing, I tell him, he has never thought about it for many years. And this is why this video will just explain to you that sometimes you are paying a lot to invest, although investing, you should never pay a lot. You should pay only a small commission. There are even what we call what is it the thing, ETFs. There are some brokers and some big investment banks, they offer ETFs without paying anything, because I understand that ETFs and mutual funds, they are taking fees. This is first. Now the second thing that the bank do is taking other fees for herself. And this, most of the people, they have never thought about that. And I tell you another story. Where I go before, I want to buy Facebook without going to a broker. I want to go from the company itself, but they don't. But there are some forms that you can put each month some money. Not just Facebook, but a lot of companies in America, and they take some fees. When I see those fees, I don't believe that this exists in America. And you put, for example, $100. This is what they give as an example. They take $10 fee for transaction, 5 cents for each share you bought, 3 cents here, 10 cents here, $1 here, $2 here, and then at the end, I find that 20% of the money is gone. $20 is gone from each paycheck or from each payment with $100. Now, because I was surprised to find this, I called them, and I was asking them, what's these fees? It means when I go to a broker, I pay only $5 or $2 or $1, whatever I bought. This is the flat free commission. What's these fees that you are using? Why you take 5 cents for each share I bought? Why? I pay for a commission. Why should I pay for fees also for shares? Why you are like following me in everything I do? And I was so frustrated that I just end the call. And then I understand that there are millions of Americans here. They are losing millions of dollars each year, in general, and all these fees goes to the banks, but it doesn't go to their investment. So it's high time to check how much you are paying if you are using this big banks or big brokers, full service brokers. Okay, sometimes they don't know. So especially if you are paying them each month or each paycheck, try to check how much money they take from your account, from your money that you send to them, or the money that they cut from your paycheck, it goes to your investment. Okay, and check even how much is the price. Okay, they buy this stuff, mutual fund or ETFs or stocks. Try to check the market and see how much they buy you this. It might be more. They buy and they sell for you with high profit, and they take fees, they take another thing, they take here, so a lot of fees. So for me, I use discount broker. It's better, it's simpler. I can see whatever they do in my account, and I know what's going on, and I decide for what to do or what to buy and how much should I pay as a commission. Okay, so I don't let someone else tell me how much fees should I pay, and sometimes it's too much. Now this guy that I told him, I told him that it is serious, that he's spending thousands of dollars each year, and it is for many years, 10 years or 15 years, I don't know how many years. I say, see how much money they take from you as fees. And then he go there and he finds that it is not what he likes, because I have explained to him the real investment is not to pay fees. Okay, you pay for commission maybe, but you don't pay 10% of your money or 20% or 30% of your money and you think that you can invest. If you take 20% of your money, how many years you will get this 20% if you're buying mutual funds and ETFs? You will not. Maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years. So you are a loser from the beginning. And when you see your money grows, it doesn't grow because it grows. It's just because you put money and you think it's growing up, but it is not growing up. Because if you think about the money that you put and the money that it is now, you find it most of the time under your investment, and because the fees are too much. Okay, so just take a look at your investment and see what is best for you. If you don't know, you can go to your tax preparer and you ask him, or you ask your broker, or you ask your financial advisor. If you have a lot of money, you should ask someone who knows better than to pay fees, and you will know. You should compare between a broker, a simple broker, when he asks you a commission, or there are some ETFs in some big investment. They ask you nothing because they take their money from the ETFs itself, because it takes 1% each year. Mutual funds, they are taking 2%, 3% of the money. So understand that there are fees. Now, if you invest yourself in stocks, there is no fees for stocks. Okay, the stock doesn't take you money from you each year like ETFs or like mutual funds. Okay, so it's high time to see your account and to see what's your going on for the long run, because this is the long run. You might be losing a lot of money from fees and you don't know. Okay, so thank you very much. See you next time.